Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Translink. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Translink application on your device. And if you open the app for the first time, you will see the Get Started button, which you can tap on and then proceed with allowing your location access to end up within the plan page. Now, if you wish to log into your existing account, tap on More at the bottom right corner, and now you will see the Go Card account option. Go ahead and tap on this, and this will open up the login page for your Go Card within a separate browser page. Now, due to security policy, the page doesn't allow screenshot. However, you will be able to find the login portal right away, where you can enter your Go Card number followed by your password that you have set up. Finally, click on the login button, and you will be logged in to your Translink account using Go Card right away. And you will also regain all of your previous data. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Translink. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.